Hey guys, Fimishke here obviously, and in this video I'm gonna try and help you guys register for your Rain SIM card. Now the past videos are doing quite okay. There's always mixed comments as you'd expect. Some people having good experience, some people having bad experience, and some people having bad experience and taking it out on me as if I work for Rain. No, I do not work for Rain, and these videos are also not sponsored by Rain. I'm just really doing them to try and assist you guys, because from what I've seen, this is actually a really cheap option if you don't have any other ways of connecting to the internet. So let's jump straight into it. And again, I'm gonna try and create a playlist of all the Rain videos that I make, so you guys can actually go and catch up on those other ones also if you didn't if you haven't seen those videos. Now I'm gonna link the playlist right here, so if you missed any of the past videos on Rain, go and make sure you watch those videos after you watch this one. So jumping right on the website, which is Rain COZA, you see the front screen there, or the front page. Keep doing your thing, choose unlimited data for less. So if you scroll down, you see activate SIM. So I'm assuming you activate, you click on the activate SIM. Now this is the first time I actually try and do this, so bear with me if I look kinda confused. So they show you the step-by-step instructions on how to register for Rain. So you say choose your plan, enter SIM unique code, which is actually going to be behind this thing here. So behind here I have the codes, which are obviously, for obvious reason, I cannot show you guys. So enter your SIM's unique code, create an account to recount line. Okay, so we're gonna choose activate with SAID. We're going to choose the plan. I'm going to start with the 19 hours unlimited off peak for 250 rands, and then they have the other option there, which is 479. So we're going to choose view this one, then we're going to click buy. All right, so it gives you some of the perks of this plan. You can actually read it for yourself. 90 unlimited data off, 90 unlimited off-peak data every day. But we're already familiar with those things. So they also show you where you find the information, which I just showed you to you guys, where you find the information for you to enter so you can activate your SIM. So they say enter SIM number, which is also in the back. So I'm gonna enter my SIM number. Okay, so SIM verified, everything seems to be okay. Next step is checkout. Set a gig limit. So I can actually set the limit already here. So we're going to set the limit to 0. Only pay for the gig. So here where it says set your limit is for you to actually set how many gigs you want them to charge you per month when you're using your SIM off peak. Off peak should be between, if I am not mistaken, between 6 to 10. But I'm going to confirm that when they actually show it to me. So I'm gonna say check out. Also, they even tell you must remember the coverage. So I could actually check the coverage. Let's see, check out coverage. Okay, that's not to check out the coverage. Heads up, you have chosen a set of monthly peak gig of 0 gig, blah, blah, blah. You will not be able to use data during peak hours. Okay, peak hours is between 6 p.m. and 11 p.m. So I was 1 hour off. All right, cart summary, checkout, total upfront, 0 rand. More information there. You can edit SIM, and you're just gonna press checkout. So this is where you actually create an account, so you can have an account online when you have queries, or you want to check your information, you want to make a payment. I'm assuming this is where you're going to check. So I'm going to create an account for myself here, which is you guys should also actually do. Okay, they ask you for password, they want your address, they want a street name. Okay. Obviously this information I cannot show you, but this is really easy for you guys to do. You don't really have to see what I am using. So okay. So they also have an option here where you can actually search for your address. Okay, so I searched for my address, which was much easier than what I typed, because I had typed it the way I normally type it, which was a little bit wrong. So search for your address and then pick your address from the search bar. I recommend that after you do everything else. So let's create an account. See, okay. All right, so after you register, it actually takes you to the payment page. You also get a notification or a confirmation email, which I also just received. Let me see what the email tells me. Okay, non-reply, Rain yesterday. It's great to have you. Hi, that's my name. Welcome to Rain. Your profile has been successfully created. Enjoy Rain. And I think that's really it. I've successfully registered my Rain SIM card for Rain. Okay, it says my total is 0. Please tick the box to confirm you understand the requirement, general and condition, blah blah blah. So I need to tick the box. This is terms and condition of RICA. And okay, what is this? Card number, card holder. Okay, so this is the information, your card information. This is the card they're going to use to debit your monthly payment, the 250, as well as if you actually set a limit, they're also going to deduct your off-peak amount from the card that you're going to have to register with them here. So I'm going to add my card. Okay. All right, so that's basically how you register for Rain. As you saw, the last step is actually you guys adding your debit card information, and then you can just go to your dashboard and see other things that you can actually do inside the website. Now, this video was just to show you guys how you register for the Rain SIM card, which is actually pretty easy and straightforward. Now, full disclaimer, my card was declined a couple of times, so I decided to stop trying. I'm gonna maybe try using my card again tomorrow, or otherwise I'm gonna go to the bank and see why my card is being declined. Now, if any of you guys actually had the same experience where your debit card was declined, let me know down in the comments and let me know how you guys fixed it. But otherwise, I'm gonna keep you guys updated also in the comments, and if you have any question, also go to the comments and ask. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you go and you subscribe to the channel and click that notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a video, and also like this video so other kids can find this video, and if they need help registering, they will know exactly what they have to do. And I am going to catch you guys on my next video. Peace.